In the animal kingdom, intelligence varies widely depending on the species and their evolutionary needs. Some animals have developed impressive cognitive abilities to survive, while others rely more on instinct and simple behaviors. While labeling any creature as dumb can be misleading, especially since all animals are perfectly adapted to their environments, there are certain species that are often perceived as less intelligent because of their limited problem-solving abilities, memory, or learning capacity. In reverse order, here are 5 animals often cited as the least intelligent, keeping in mind that what they lack in brains, they often make up for in other survival skills. 5. Panda. The panda, with its famously adorable demeanor, is often cited for its less-than-stellar intellect. Despite being classified as a carnivore, pandas feed almost exclusively on bamboo, a food source that provides very little nutritional value. They have never adapted to make the most of their carnivorous anatomy, leading to sluggish behavior and inefficient feeding habits. In captivity, pandas often require significant human intervention to breed successfully, a task most other animals manage instinctively. While they have captured the world's hearts, pandas are not known for strategic thinking or adaptability. 4. Turkey. The turkey is another animal often associated with a lack of intelligence. Wild turkeys are somewhat more savvy, but domesticated turkeys have a reputation for behaviors that suggest a limited understanding of their surroundings. They have been observed standing in the rain with their beaks open, leading to the myth that they can drown by doing so. Though this myth is exaggerated, turkeys do have poor problem-solving skills and an easily panicked nature, which has contributed to their reputation as one of the less bright species. 3. Kakapo. The kakapo, a flightless parrot native to New Zealand, is an evolutionary oddity with traits that are charming but not particularly intelligent. It has little in the way of natural defenses and exhibits behaviors that make it highly vulnerable to predators, such as freezing in place when threatened. Kakapos also have a slow reproductive cycle which, combined with poor survival instincts, has placed them on the brink of extinction. Despite their endearing appearance and gentle demeanor, kakapos demonstrate a level of obliviousness that has unfortunately made their survival difficult without human intervention. 2. Cane toad. The cane toad, introduced to various countries to control agricultural pests, is widely regarded as having a limited capacity for learning. Cane toads will attempt to eat almost anything they can fit into their mouths, including inanimate objects, often leading to injury or death. Their voracious but undiscriminating eating habits show little evidence of cognitive processing or self-preservation beyond basic instinct. Despite their survival success as an invasive species, they do not exhibit signs of complex thought or problem-solving ability. 1. Jellyfish. At the top of the list is the jellyfish, a creature that has existed for hundreds of millions of years with a structure so simple it does not even possess a brain. Jellyfish operate entirely on nerve nets that control basic functions like pulsating movements and feeding responses. They lack the ability to think, learn, or adapt beyond the most basic biological reactions. Despite their impressive longevity as a species, jellyfish are the ultimate example of an animal that survives without any need for intelligence, existing purely through simple, instinct-driven processes. Even among animals considered less intelligent, nature has equipped each with the exact tools needed for survival within their niches. Intelligence, in the traditional sense, is just one way to measure success, and often instinct, simplicity, and resilience are just as effective in the endless variety of life on Earth. Thanks for watching.